My name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Today I want to show you how to cook some of these amazing ingredients that we sell on the website. Okay, so this is a very special dish with the finest beef in the whole world, Japanese Wagyu beef, graded A5 and BMS beef marbling score of 11, which is, there's no higher than 12, so this is really very, very fine stuff. We're going to serve it very simply with a mushroom salad type affair with some bok choy and some coriander, Asian flavours running through it, and we're just going to garnish it with a nice little baby leaf salad. Very simple, quite clean, but very rich and very special. Take the best part of the leaf and the best part of the stalk. And then we'll take the stalks out of these lovely shiitake mushrooms. Very, very tough, you can't eat that, so just get that out of there. All spongy and nice, you see, and that all turns into really good texture. It's going to be a delicate dish. If you look at these, they're all cut perfectly to size. It's got to look really nice. It's going to look neat and tidy, it's very important. So, in the pan we go with the mushrooms, in the pan we go with the bok choy. We're going to get really, really hot. We're going to give it some nice colour on there. So our salad we're going to mix with this bok choy now. Doing nicely. So at this stage I'm going to get these fellas in. These are called shimeji. You've got a nice mix, all sorts of different colours and sizes. Finish it with our liklum and then a dash of this sesame oil. Put those straight in there and then finish them with a touch of this white sesame oil, which is again, it's a new product for us. It's completely different to something you buy in the shop. Literally the taste is amazing. You get this bok choy, a nice colour. Again, a bit of salt. And leave it on there so it can just get a bit of colour. So you've got a nice flash fry on there. Okay, so I've just added the bok choy to the mushrooms, and that is going to loosen it all out a bit. So I'm just going to need to check the seasoning, how much sauce there is, etc. I just feel it needs a tiny bit more of that. So we've got our mushroom salad garnish, whatever you want to call it. Bok choy's in there. Just going to cook our beef now. I mean, it's more fat than it is meat, which sort of seems weird, I know, but trust me, it does hold together in the pan as well. I think it's quite a nice way to serve this. You've got to imagine that it's like eating a butter lump. It's super, super rich. You can't eat too much of it. You know, when you eat something special, you want to be like, oh, I want a little bit more, not, I've eaten too much. So let's put them in. Hear the sizzle. Look at that. See the fat coming out of it straight away? That is our oil. So all we're trying to do is just give it some colour on each side, caramelise and seal each side. Just a nice cube of bliss. Okay, so there we have it. 3 lovely bits of meat. We've got a salad to dress. Give it some nice vibrant colour. Some nice height. That's about right. So again, so this is designed to have texture in it. The crunchiness of the bok choy will give that nice bite. Who's ever lucky enough to eat it. Bearing in mind that the Wagyu itself is, you know, soft like butter. Make it a little bit different. And then for the nice finale. I don't actually think it needs anything more on there. It's clean, elegant, tasty, and ready to eat. So here you have it, the final piece, A5 Wagyu with sweetened Asian mushroom ragu and a nice salad garnish. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook these recipes today. All the products and recipes are available on finefoodspecialist.co.uk. Go and have a look at the website. There's plenty more there to see too.